Your question is find equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. Now, for interceptions we have a formula for a line. What is that? That is x by a plus y by b, that is equal to 1 now. That is the formula for interception of a line. Now, तो what he told, तो इसको आप समझो. तो suppose this is a line. This is your coordinate and this is a line. This is your A now. And this is your B. So now the coordinates of this is A, 0 and this is your 0, B. These are the two coordinates. In between that, this line is passing through the point 2, 2. That means suppose 2, 2 is here. So that means it will satisfy this equation. Now, what he has already given, he has given whose sum is 9. That means A plus B is equal to 9. A plus B is equal to 9. Now, तो A देखो क्या हो गया? A is equal to 9 minus B. A is equal to 9 minus B. Or you can say B is equal to 9 minus A. 9 minus A. Now, substitute this A and B values here. What you will get it? You will get x by A. Only one value you have to substitute, any one. So we will substitute this value. So A plus y by B. B is 9 minus A. That is equal to 1 now. If 2, 2 is passing through that point, that means आपका क्या है? What is that? It satisfies this equation. That means instead of x and y you will put 2, 2. So you will get 2 by A plus 2 by B. That is 9 minus A. That is equal to 1 now. What you have to do? Take the LCM. So LCM is 9 minus A into A. Here you will get 2 9 minus A plus 2A. That is equal to 1 now. Now cross multiply it and solve it. You will get 18 minus 2A plus 2A. That is equal to this 9A minus A square. Bring these two left side. And ये देखो कट रहा है आपका, cut it. So it will come as A square minus 9A plus 18. That is equal to 0. Now solve this by middle term splitting. You will get 3 and 6. है ना? 18 is there. AC is 18. So 3 and 6. So now you will get as A square minus 3A minus 6A plus 18. That gives you 0. Now A is common. A minus 3 minus 6 is common. A minus 3. That gives you 0. That means A minus 6 is equal to 0. A minus 3 is equal to 0. We get A is equal to 6 and A is equal to 3. These are the two values. Now, A is 2. So what about your B? B is 9 minus A. That means if A is 6, B is 3. if A is 3, B is 6. Now we have to make the equation. What we will do? X by A, that means 6. We will get x by 6 plus y by 3, that is equal to 1. Now the LCM is 6. So we will get the 6 here, x plus 2y, that is equal to 6. This is your first equation. Now we will put second. B is 3, 6 and 3 over, 3 and 6 we will go for that. That means x by 3 plus y by 6, that is equal to 1. Again 6 is the LCM. You will get 2x plus y, that is equal to 6. So these are the two equations. देखो difference are x plus 2y. Here it is 2x plus y. So these are the two equations we will get for this line.